It's a 2010 Acura MDX. Inspired by your high standards, this is one of the world's smartest SUVs. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear camera parking sensor, Bluetooth hands-free link, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, high safety scores, high-tech toys, powerful engine with decent fuel economy, and relatively large third-row seat for a midsize luxury SUV. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.